Come with me to a journey by the train from Vienna to Prague. I reserved 2 seats in the relaxing car. They were very comfortable with enough space for our legs. The train was also somehow calm. I think this view is the best. Also, I tried the food in the train. They have delicious cakes. The chocolate cake was nice and light with moderate sweet, but it needs more chocolate flavor to be added to it. The poppy seed cake was good but too sweet for me. The perfect cake was the apple cake. I really like it. It was very fresh with moderate sweet. I tried the latte. It was good too. Of course, some coffee will make the trip better. I enjoyed the best view from the window. Actually, I never get bored of it. For me, it is a perfect trip.